not to do it and stay on the ground.
Okay. Sahil Lodhi.
His taste in movies, I believe, I wouldn't want him to make a film because he's probably one of the best hosts in the history of our country. Wow. So don't change it because वो फिर क्या होता है आपका एक achievement भी खराब होने लग जाता है because of that.
Exactly. Sara Khan.
I would एक पहली बात तो ये I would not want her to age at all because I would want her to stay like this forever. And honestly speaking, Saad, there is nothing in Sara Khan that one would want to change.
Okay, that's romantic.
Oh, Saad was like,
that's romantic.
So sweet.
Okay, one good thing about being Sara Khan and one bad thing about being Sara Khan.
One good thing about, there are a lot of good things. One good thing about being Sara Khan is that she's a star. She gets to live a very good life. I have never seen any actor getting this many gifts from brands, and she's always getting pata nahi kya kya from people. I get two of that, but not as much as she gets. And I think one bad, I won't say it bad, but it's really tiring, the life she lives. I don't do bridal shoots. I don't do a lot of things that she does. And it gets really tough. This is very well done.
And one good thing about Agha and one bad thing.
Hold it.
बैड में मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जल्दी रिएक्ट करते हैं हर चीज़ पे. अगर मैं कुछ बदल सकूं तो मैं सबसे पहले ही बदलूंगी कि थोड़ा
गुस्सा
इजी हो जाए.
नहीं, गुस्सा मुझे लगता है सही करते हैं, ज़रूरी है. कहीं गुस्सा करना ज़रूरी है इनका. किसी गलत बात पे गुस्सा नहीं करते. और अच्छी बात है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
बताओ, मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ. अच्छी बात है. Come on.
आगा.
अच्छा, एक ही बता दो.
सबसे अच्छी बात है कि जो सबसे मुझे अच्छी लगती है वो है कि मेरा बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं.
सुन लो,
बहुत सारी बातें हैं.
सारे आज ये बात. Thank you. But she takes equally as much care of everybody. So I think people who take care of other people deserve to be taken care of.
Well, बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें सारा से और आगा से बात करके, और हमें उम्मीद है कि जो ये फिल्म कर रहे हैं फ्यूचर में इंशाल्लाह जल्द ही हमें देखने को मिलेगी. और म्यूज़िक वीडियो जो इनकी रिलीज़ हो रही है 25 को सब लाजमी देखें, शेयर करें और फीडबैक दें.